Hi.
Why is she so scared?
Ate, may truck kasi kami. May truck kasi kami, hindi kami makapunta ng drive-thru eh. So easy araw ko ngayon. So mangungulit lang ako dito sa mga mangungulit lang ako dito sa mga truck driver dito. Ayun dalawa. Driving here like for almost 2 weeks, right? So what do you think is the difference between here and in Delta, in BC?
Not a whole lot.
Is it more busier here?
Sorry?
Is it more busier, the road or
yeah, there it's definitely a lot busier. I find than here, and it's more open here too. So. Like a lot of like big roads like this, you just hop on like freeway to freeway. They're it's nice because it's all like 110 kilometers too. So when you're trying to get somewhere, you go there pretty quickly. Like there, we don't have any speeding cameras and stuff there. Or like a lot of like cops. Like if a cop were to give you a ticket, they have to pull you over.
Okay.
And yeah, there's no like speeding cameras on the highways and stuff like that, so it's a little different, but everything's like 80 kilometers there. So, and then like in town it's like 50, so it's just like slow to get everywhere.
It's probably because it's kind of busier there too, right?
Yeah. It gets pretty busy, yeah, because I used to work on day shift there before. I did like 3.5 years day shift,
okay,
and then like 4.5 years night shift, and I moved to night shift because it was so like it got so busy in the traffic and stuff there. I'd be waiting in like one day it took me like almost 3 hours to get home.
Oh no!
Yeah. and I live like probably 45 minutes away, like a half hour away. At the time I was living in like Langley, so yeah, it'd take like about half hour to get to work in the morning, and then on a good day 45 minutes to get home. But yeah, like the traffic would get so bad there, and then there's a lot of bridges, so if there's an accident on the bridge, like yeah, everybody's just screwed. Like it just gets so backed up.
They told me that I supposed to train you, but you got a lot of more experience than me.
Yeah.
So basically,
it's pretty much
guys,
driving, yeah.
So basically, guys, I'm the one getting trained. No, because just what you call, just all the places here, right?
Yeah.
Highways. I think that but driving and everything, this guy knows. He knows it. Because it's just the same, right?
Oh
it's
yeah.
not like what you do in BC and here in
yeah.
So it's the same. So yeah, we're just gonna wrap this.
The past like 4 years, I've been doing like a tailgate walkie.
Oh no!
So no ramp.
Not fair, man. It's just a tailgate, right? Is it?
Yeah. And like the power walkie, so it's pretty easy.
Oh,
So I just like roll the pallets out to the tailgate, bring them down, and then just bring them to the door. So no going down on the ramp and stuff. Yeah.
I think I saw like just one tractor trailer we had in here with that tailgate.
Yeah.
And some of the body jobs, I think two of our five-footer body jobs got that tailgate too.
Yeah, apparently there was more here before, like when they had the Starbucks, like the dedicated Starbucks runs, but they got rid of them.
Yeah, so that's what they told me. Like, yeah, a long time ago we have that tailgate, but it's always broken, so there's no point using it.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Probably with the weather.
Yeah, so I guess so.
They break there too, but we have like we had the Penske on call, and they'd come and like fix it up and stuff like that.
Oh,
so,
nice. Hopefully it get better so we can have this stamp fit again. you experience the stamping here? Number stamping?
Yeah. I went to it 2 years ago.
Oh, 2 years ago?
2 years ago. Yeah, 2 years ago.
Before the pandemic, right?
Yeah, before the pandemic. I came the year before the pandemic. Yeah, I think 2019 or yeah, I think it was 2019.
Oh, okay.
And then COVID happened like 2020 or something. Yeah, so I came at the best time. Yeah, it was pretty fun. I came for like a week, and then I went to it for like 2 days, I think.
Okay.
So yeah, it was pretty good. Really busy, right?
Yeah.
It got really busy there. I didn't go on many other rides, so I'm not a fan of like rides, roller coasters, stuff like that. So.
Yeah, just keep on eating in there.
Yeah, all the food trucks. I tried like 50 different food trucks. Yeah, it's good.
I actually did try that. They have like exotic food in there. Alligator burger.
Oh, really? Oh, wow.
Scorpion pizza.
I tried a few of them too. I can't remember what I had though, like the specific items, but yeah, there's a lot of like different stuff.
Yes. Are you single?
Single? Oh, did I?
Are you single?
No, I got.
Oh, sorry guys. It's not single anymore, so you can taste the Canadian dishes for now.
Unfortunately not.
Oh.
Just lifting heavy stuff every single night. It's nice to have a break every once in a while.
Every year, there's like a one day always like a stupid snowstorm here in Calgary. So
Oh yeah, I heard about that.
Yeah, at least you know like all the places. Last winter storm we had, some of the drivers working like 16 hours still on the road.
Really?
Yeah, they're not even like doing the delivery and everything anymore. They just stuck there.
Holy crap!
Yeah, last winter storm, like the crazy winter storm we had here.
It was like 35 centimeters or something.
I think more than that.
Really?
Yeah, I heard like 75 or more.
Oh my god.
Oh
You can even go to the plaza. Not even. For a trucker trailer. Once you get in there, you get stuck. There's a lot of snow. What you gonna do, right?
Now can't do anything. So probably the light there, right?
There's
Right.
that avenue. The 71? Yes, 71.
Yeah, take that.
The package. The package. So their doors.
Oh, okay, so I just parked along this
Yes.
one for a moment. That's the back door there?
Yes.
Okay. So it's kind of saying just
Just straight.
straight here. Okay. This is back a little bit. Should be good like that, eh?
Okay, so we are on the first stop. So see you later. Bye.
Two hours later.
so scared.
Ate, may truck kasi kami. May truck kasi kami, hindi kami makapunta ng drive-thru eh.
Ah, sige.
Okay lang? Sige, paunahin mo na. Kasi, so we're gonna have a McDonald's first. We cannot, hindi kami makapasok dito ng truck kasi masyadong malaking truck na. Hi! Yeah, sorry about that because we got a truck. It cannot fit in here. How about you? What do you want?
Oh, do you guys have like junior chicken meals? Yeah. Okay.
Do you want a meal?
Yes, please. And then just like a small coffee.
Yeah.
Just plain black?
Thank you, ate.
Like single.
I'm gonna get a quarter pounder.
Did you want to put it on the same bill?
Yeah,
or a
yes,
different
yes.
bill? Okay.
Quarter pounder meal and just a large coffee, regular, please.
So 16.55.
Okay, and what's it? Thank you.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Alright, maghihintay lang kami ng order namin. Gutom na kami. Kaya patapos na. Ayun.
I've got the seniority. I got like 8 years or whatever, so I have like 4 weeks vacation and stuff like that. So it'd be hard to give that up. 2 more years and I get 5 weeks paid
Really?
vacation. Yeah, it's 10 years, right? I think.
Yeah.
10 years you
Yeah,
get.
I think it's different in here.
10.
Ah,
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I need to print about that one.
Oh, I should ask.
10 years.
Because BC, yeah, 10
10
years is you get 5 weeks.
5 weeks? Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's weird because they changed it so it's after 2 years I think you get 3 weeks, and then 7 years you get 4 weeks, and then 10 years you get 5 weeks, and then if you're here for 20 years you get 6 weeks. 20 or 24 years, I can't remember, you get 6 weeks. 6 weeks vacation a year though, that's crazy.
Yeah, of course. I think you earn it, right? I guess. So.
Yeah.
I think it's better to get
Like a month, you just get a month and a half off like pay every year. That's so nice.
Eternity later.
Yeah, so we're done with the day. Sa mukha naman, oy, kailangan ko pa mag-English. So kung hindi pa, just hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bago kong mga videos. So bye-bye and ciao!